today.
It's your birthday.
It is 1 month. He's gonna have a photo shoot later.
Well, I'm gonna do a photo shoot with him a little later, but it's been a pretty fussy morning. He's used the bathroom a couple times and he's been kind of more hungry than usual at this time. So definitely gonna wait till a little bit later, let him take a nice long nap before I try and take photos with him, because photos are already hard enough with him. I don't know what it is. Obviously he can't like see a camera or anything yet, but I feel like he can, because the moment we take the camera out, try to take a picture, he starts to move, starts to fuss. So I definitely want to make sure when I do the shoot, he's calm and relaxed and hopefully even sleep. Because when I take pictures with his eyes open, he like looks all over the place. Look at our handsome boy. He's finally, like, his eyes are starting to lock on to more things around him. He's a lot more alert. He seems to be a lot happier. This is how we keep an eye on Kavari while we're doing our morning routine and getting ready for our day, even though we don't have much going on because we're quarantined. But I like that we can still keep an eye on him and we can hear everything like live as it's going on, so we feel safe.
Mom is making me some breakfast. I eat oatmeal every morning lately. I mean, it's good for breast milk too, but I just like love the taste. I put brown sugar, cinnamon, and blueberries in it, and it's so good. Just, you know, regular oatmeal. Kayvon's going on a walk. Kayvon's going on his daily walk. Here's my breakfast. Again, every morning I eat this oatmeal. Then Mama always cuts me up some fruit, dates. Delish. What are you making? Hash browns. Yum. That looks good. You should put some of the blueberry jam I got you on them. How does that not sound good?
Jam does not go on waffles.
How? Like the pancakes at IHOP.
And I don't like those. You get those. And then waste it because it's too sweet.
True. I am so excited for this, guys. And by the way, don't mind that noise. That is Von's sound machine, and he's sleeping over there. But I got this at-home gel nail kit in the mail. This is from Gel Care. Their Instagram is Gel Care Official, and they sent me all these pretty colors. Like there's this light pink and like white and nude, and I'm so excited to finally do my nails, guys. But I'm nervous because I haven't done my own nails since I was like 14, and even then it was just polish. It wasn't gel. So here's what my nails look like right now. So I'm gonna attempt to do my nails at home. I'm praying they turn out good, and let's see how this goes. Okay, so the instruction card that they sent me, this is a Canadian brand, so it was completely in French. So I was like, okay, let me go on their Instagram and just follow the tutorial. This one's in French too. So I'm gonna use my context clues and try to do it. Thank goodness, you guys, I DM'd them and they sent me the highlight where it's in English. So we back in business, but the baby's crying. What is it? It literally took me 10 minutes just to do my thumb. And look, I made myself bleed. Like, I do not know what I'm doing, I swear. Also, this boy does not want to take a nap today. He is wide awake. Just watching mommy do her nails. Here's how it's going so far. I cut another cuticle, only the thumb and then this finger because it's my left hand, so it was hard to do. Well, my right hand, so I was using my left hand to do it, so it was a little bit hard to do. But guys, literally just cutting my cuticle has taken me an hour. So there's that. But I also had really bad cuticles because the last time I got my nails done was when I was 37 weeks pregnant and Kayvon's a month today. So it's literally been like 7 weeks almost. 6-7 weeks. Look at this boy. Not you, Roxy. I think I'm gonna feed him real quick and then I'm gonna go into doing my nails because painting is gonna take me a minute. Gonna give Vonnie boy some milk.
As soon as I start thinking I'm done putting stuff together, I have more stuff to put together. Man, I will be excited for the day this house is completely done. All right, so let's go take a look. I got my handy dandy toolbox here with me just in case I need any extra tools. And Nas ordered this, so I'm not sure if it's like easy assemble or difficult or, you know, I don't know what it's gonna be like. So I'm just going in optimistic and, you know, hopefully it doesn't take me too long. I'll show you guys a little bit of me putting it together once I make some progress.
What's your problem, Kavari? You don't like croissants? Stupid name, but they taste good.
This is a tasty burger.
Just weighed Kayvon because he's a month today. He is 9 pounds, 13 ounces. Look at you.
Good job. Good job.
He's right on track. He was supposed to gain a pound and he did.
Good
Look
job.
at you, big boy.
All right, so I just finished one of the sides of the sectional, the long side, and we already had the table back there. It was pretty simple, honestly, so can't really complain. Looks good. I haven't taken the plastic. Now I can show you guys the final reveal. Wow, looks so beautiful, so cozy. Then he make you want to just come and grab a seat. Now we don't have our landscaping done, but once we do, when we have our pool and basketball court and stuff back there, Kayvon to be able to play in the backyard, I can sit up here and chill and edit or, you know, do whatever I want. Just relax.
Okay, so I decided to stand because I'm wearing my corset, so it was like hard to sit. But I just did the base coat, and now I'm about to do the moment of truth, actually doing polish. So far it's looking good, honestly. Let's see how this turns out. This is like a light baby pink. Oh, there's a hair. Got this big ass hair in my nail. Okay, so now we're doing my right hand, and I'm right-handed, so this is where it's gonna get a little bit more difficult. I already know. I'm not showing you guys an up close of my nails. This is where you guys are gonna see it from. I mean, they're okay, but if I paid for these nails, like there would be a problem, you know what I mean?
But you're not a professional, so why would you judge yourself that hard?
I know, but like,
Don't be so hard on yourself.
I mean, it's not like I'm being hard on myself. It's just like I'm in the beauty industry, you know? Like I feel like I should be decent at it.
That's like me saying because I'm an athlete, I should be a dog at tennis. That's not how it works.
I guess. They're okay. It's like the kit is amazing. It's not the kit. It's just like my skill level. Anyways, we're about to eat some leftover lasagna. I'm just chopping up some lettuce so we can have some Caesar salad with it. Do you want salad, babe? Okay. I need a bigger bowl. So I'm just using my hands. Vaughn's pictures. We just put him down for a nap. I'm hoping he's finally asleep. Like, he wasn't like fussing or anything, but his eyes were open, so I'm hoping that he's like actually sleeping now because he really needs a nap. Taking those pictures, honestly guys, was so brutal, so I'm so happy that he's like calmed down, drank his milk. I think he's going through a growth spurt because he usually feeds every 3 hours, and he was hungry an hour and a half after the last time I fed him. So I really think he's just going through a growth spurt right now. That's why he's been crying a lot more. But I'm just gonna use some of this time to do some cleaning. Bathroom is a mess. Lots of laundry to be done. I have such a love-hate relationship with this waist trainer because, like, see how it folds up? See that? I mean, it's like normal, but it's just like so uncomfortable because of this. It's not like painful, but I just hate how it like folds over like that. That's why I'm like standing all the time, because I hate sitting and it like bunches up. But gotta do what we gotta do. It looks good though. Crazy, this did not fit me at first. This didn't fit me until I was 2 weeks postpartum. So this is the waist trainer I would wear before I got pregnant, but I'd wear it on the tightest. Now I have to wear it on the loosest, so I'm slowly trying to work my way back to the tightest one. Also, looking at my nails in the mirror, I'm like, wow, they look so good. And then I look at them up close and I'm like, it's honestly just because I got so much paint on the cuticle area. It looks really good from far away, and then you look up close and it's so messy. Like, it's just all over the cuticle. I guess for my first time, it's really not that bad, but tried my best. You guys remember how earlier I said I think Vaughn is going through a growth spurt? I take that back. He is 100% going through a growth spurt. He literally slept for like 20 minutes. He was crying so much. So I see he had a dirty diaper. I changed his diaper and he was crying for food. Like, he is starving today. He is one hungry little boy. You're so hungry. Look at these curls. Look at these curls.